Hey guys, welcome to Just Be Handy. I just upgraded to a new camera. I will be testing it out. I just got it. I've been filming with a Samsung S7 cell phone up to date, but now that I have about 645 subscribers, I thought I would up it up a little bit, but not go too crazy. So I did some investigation, and I really thought the Canon VIXIA HF R800 would be the way to go. And these cameras really require a good memory chip, so definitely make sure you go with the full-sized SD chip and not one of the micro ones that at least takes 170 megabytes per second to get good recording. At least that's what I've read about these. The unfortunate thing for me is that these used to go for about $200 just about a year and a half ago. But I ended up having to buy it for about $350 because they are no longer make this camera. And its MSRP is $240 or so. But here's really what you get in the box. You get a warranty card, the instructions, the camera. I already put the battery on, a charger, USB cable for charging the battery, as well through a computer, or just getting the information off of the camera to your computer. There's also a HDMI cable so that you could use it to broadcast over your TV or computer. So really that's all that comes with it. I'm kind of excited to shoot a video. I'll do some comparison and send it out. Hopefully you guys will like that. I know this camera is hard to find new, but I was able to find it at B&H. And also on the website, they direct you to B&H on the Canon website. But for entry level and upping my channel's video, I thought this would be the way to go, especially since my S7 cell phone is starting to flake out and I've lost a lot of content over the past few recordings. So I hope you found this informative. Please give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to show you guys some of the results. Have a blessed day.